Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer cash from Robinhood to Fidelity. The first thing I want you to do is actually open up an account on Fidelity if you don't have one already. Just come here to open an account here under Accounts and Trade, and then you open your account. Let's say you want a brokerage account. You open your brokerage account, and then you choose whether it's a joint account or an individual account, and then click on Next. It'll ask you if you're a Fidelity customer already. If not, click on No. If yes, you just log in. Otherwise, you hit no, and then you fill in your personal information, your occupation, your associations, right? All the information. And then you just go ahead and, agree. Yes, go down. You need to certify your taxpayer identification number. Okay, check that as well. If you have been notified by the IRS that you're currently subject to backup withholding, right? And scroll down. Once you're done with everything, open your account. Then they'll ask you how you want to fund your account. I want you to choose this option: transfer assets from an account at another brokerage firm, okay? And then you click on continue. Usually takes 5 to 7 days to do the transfer. And then here you choose under the from section, you choose Robinhood. So use Robinhood Securities LLC, and you enter your account number, select your account type as well. Once you're done with that, you choose which, Fidelity account you're transferring to, and then whether you want to transfer all the account assets, yes or no, and then hit next. Once you're done with that, then you just prepare and upload your documents to complete the process. Then you just wait 5 to 7 days. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.